Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can essentially create a shirt or any type of clothing on Roblox and how to basically do it. Now I'm not going to be creating this shirt or anything. I'm just going to be showing you guys the basic and then the rest is up to you guys. So what you want to do is head over to create. Once you click on create, you're going to be welcomed to this page. Once you're welcome on this page, head over to shirt. And over here what you want to do is choose a file. Now I don't have the template downloaded, so what you want to do is first download the template. Once you download the template, this is what your shirt is going to look like: up, front, right, left, back, down. So basically it's also showing you guys what this would essentially mean. Up is going to be this top part, left, right, front, down is going to be this part as in under the shirt. So what you want to do is put your cloth or whatever you're making, whichever clothes you're making, you want to essentially put the top part, the up part, basically the shoulder part over here on this up part. You want to put the front on front, left, right, back, down, and all of that stuff. Now down can just stay black because if the shirt's black you can just keep it as black, but it's honestly up to you guys on how you design it, and that's about it honestly. So, and after you're done with this, what you want to do is go to choose a file, and then you want to choose the template. Basically you want to choose this sort of a template for your shirt, and then you want to upload it on Roblox, and you need 10 Robux for it. So make sure you have money on your Roblox account, and after you upload it, you can price it as at whatever you want, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.